Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Coursera courses detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your Coursera courses, begin by visiting the Coursera website. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the My Courses section. Here, you will see a list of the courses you are enrolled in. Locate the course you wish to activate. If the course is not yet active, you may see an Enroll or Start button next to it. Click on this button to begin the activation process. Review any prerequisites or enrollment requirements as indicated. After ensuring you meet the requirements, confirm your enrollment when prompted. Some courses may offer free trials. If prompted, select an option that suits your needs. For paid courses, you will need to provide payment information. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your payment process. Once payment is confirmed, your course will be activated. You should receive a notification confirming your enrollment. Return to the My Courses section. Click on the course title to access the course materials. Explore the course layout, including lectures, assignments, and quizzes. Review any introductory materials provided by the instructor. Familiarize yourself with the course schedule and deadlines. That's it, you are now ready to start learning. Feel free to reach out to Coursera support if you encounter any issues during this process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.